Today I'll be showing you one of the most flavorful and comforting soups, Chorba Beida, or Algerian White Soup. We'll start by roughly chopping one small or half a large onion. Add that along with 3 cloves of garlic to your food processor. If you don't have a food processor, don't chop the onion. Instead, just use a grater to shred the onion and garlic. Set that to the side and measure out all the spices I've listed here. Place a large pot over medium-low heat and add oil. When the oil is hot, add in your garlic and onion mixture. Cook for about a minute, then add in your spices. Keep stirring this for about 30 seconds, then add in a half a cup of hot water and your chickpeas. Give it all a good stir, then turn the heat to medium-high and let this cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add in 8 more cups of hot water. Bring this to a boil, then reduce the heat to low and cover with a lid. Simmer for about 20 minutes. In the meantime, we'll work on the meatballs. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to a half a pound of ground chicken. You can also add chopped cilantro and a half a teaspoon of onion powder if you have it on hand. Mix until well combined using your hands or a spoon. Shape into about 13 to 14 1.5 inch meatballs. This doesn't have to be exact, just try your best to make them all equal in size. Alright, 20 minutes is up. Now carefully add your meatballs one by one to the soup. We'll cover this once more and let it cook for about 15 minutes. Measure out 3/4 a cup of vermicelli noodles and add them to your soup. Give it a good stir, add the lid back on top of the pot and turn the heat on high. Boil this for 10 minutes and then you'll have one of the most delicious, aromatic, warm, and comforting soups. Check out the full recipe down below and let me know how yours turned out in the comments. Like and subscribe for more. See you next time.